Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back. So now in this video I'll be showing you that how can you add a booking product. So this will be like people can book you for the purpose of that what the work they want and for something like that. So you can just create an online shop for like if you need an electrician, then you have electricians and you want people to just book electricians for just like on hourly basis and on daily basis, then you can create a website for that. Okay, and if you also want to create a website like for yourself, like 𝙁𝙤𝙤𝙠𝙖𝙗𝙗 if I just want to add that functionality in here so that people can just hire me on the hourly basis, so just they can hire me like that. So I'm just gonna also show you how can I just create it. So first thing comes first, I just want to show you that if someone wants to hire me here like this, okay, how can he hire me? So first we will be just trying it right here. Okay, I'm just gonna show you what you have to do. How can he hire myself on hourly basis? And if someone has already hired me, then the other person should not be able to hire me on that day and on that specific hour. And I'll also define that from which time to which time I will be available. And Sunday would be off. That Sunday I will not be doing the work. I'll be just hanging out with my friends and family and other. So I have to just define everything in here, and this is a vast thing. Okay, you have to understand everything, guys, because if you do not understand this seriously, you will not be able to do that. So make sure to leave everything, just concentrate on it, because this is not the designing part, this is the technical part, and you have to focus on it. Okay, if you do not find anything to be like if there is any confusion, then make sure to just go ahead and watch the video again. And if that still confusion is not over, then you can ask me in the Udemy forum, but do pay attention to it, guys. So let's just come here, and you can see that we have an extra thing that says all the booking. So since we don't have any of the booking, it says nothing. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add a product. So we will be adding a product for the booking, like first, if we are creating a hotel booking, then we have to enter the hotel name in the product section. So if you are creating just a website for a hotel booking, then you just need one single product. Okay, and that's all. You do not need anything. And then here would be the different options that you can add. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit this, and let's add a product. So the product name that I want it to be like 𝙗𝙤𝙤𝙬. Okay, so since I am a person here who has just created my own thing here, and it will be like 𝙗𝙤𝙤𝙬 from my booking site, from like 𝑠10.completewcourse.com, and then Zeal will be working for like 1 hour, and for 1 hour he'll charge $50. Okay, so I'm just gonna come here, I'm just gonna select this, and here you can see that I have an extra options that says bookable product. Okay, so we already know about these. Okay, I don't have to explain you. If you do not know, then make sure to follow the e-commerce section, because that is important. If you do not have the understanding of this, you cannot understand the bookable product. Please guys, please do not just jump into this. Go ahead and learn everything, learn the whole section of the e-commerce section. Do watch that and then come here. So now here I just want to select the bookable product right now, and here it just asks me 3 questions. Okay, the first one is like a virtual, has persons, has resources. So the virtual is like that cannot be shipped. Since he is hiring me, I will not be shipped to his country. Okay, if you aren't like something hiring like me, and then it won't also be the ship that you want to charge him, like I'll just come to your country and you have to pay me that. I don't want to do that. So this is the virtual product. Okay, basically he's hiring me, I'll do his work on the team viewer, I'll do any work he wants from me, and he can just hire me on the hourly basis. Okay, so now we have this has persons. This is specifically for like test. Okay, like if you want an online test based system, like where people can register, then you can go ahead and check this, like has person. So if your classroom has 30 seats available, then you can just allow the 30% is the 30 people is the maximum, and only one person can book. Okay, and it will just like if it exceeds to 30, then we will not allow it. So just like this. Or if you are just doing a hotel service, like it's a hotel and the people wants to be coming up and staying in the hotel, it can be like child or a normal, like adults. So you can just create 2 categories. Like if he's a child, then we'll charge him $5, and if he's an adult, then we'll charge him like $20. So this is what they mean. But since I don't want to charge on the child or anything, I'll just charge him like it's a normal for everybody, whether you are a guy, whether you're a girl, or whether you're a child. You have to pay $50 for an hour. Okay. And then we have the has resources. So for resources, it can be like if you are using a hotel, then you can ask them like you need a big bedroom, you need a bedroom with an LCD, LED, TV, internet, Wi-Fi, or something like that. So you can add multiple resources to just charge your customers. And mostly people do that. I just hate it. Seriously, guys. These are the necessary things. You should add that in your hotel so just people can just buy it. So let's go ahead and we have the booking duration. So this is me like booking duration, how much time the booking duration would be. So we will be charging the customers on the hourly basis. Okay, so this is like an hour. So customer can book this for an hour. Okay, he cannot book it more than an hour. So you can just select it if you want to. Okay, or you can also give your customers the options that customer defined blocks. So like customers can hire me for like minimum duration should be 1 hour. Okay, and the maximum duration can be like 5 hours. I will not work more than 5 hours, because 5 hours, after 5 hours I'll get tired and I cannot work it. So you can just select it like this. Okay, the minimum duration is 1 hour, or the maximum duration is 5 hours. So this is how it's gonna work. Okay. And here it says calendar always visible. So what does this mean is that it will show a calendar on the basis of like how much you want to book, for how long you want to book, and the dates that are available that I am to be booked. So let me show you. Let me just publish this post. Let me just publish it. Let me show you how this is gonna look. So if I just come here and I just open this product right now, and then let me show you how this is gonna look. So you can see this is how it's looking. It says the duration, that for how long you want me to hire. So it says if the guy says I want him to be 2 hours. Okay, and then here is the date, and here I can just move on. Like I can select it to be like January 18, and then I can select like I want to hire him for this one. Okay, and then I'm gonna select the time that for the time like 4 a.m. I want him to work with 4 a.m. So this is the cost that is coming. This is free. Obviously we haven't added any cost for like a single hour. Okay, that is why this is coming. If he just we can also make it like it will not be visible. The customer can only hire me for one single hour. Okay, if you just select it, then it will be like 4, 5, 6, and 4, 5, 6 will not be bookable by another person. Okay, because he has hired me, and this says 𝙗𝙤𝙤𝙠𝙖 𝙠𝙤. This is this one single guy. How can he work for 2 people in this 3 hours? So if a guy just books me, okay, then another guy cannot book me on that specific date and on that specific time. So this is the power of this plugin, and that is why this plugin costs that much. Okay, guys. So now let's go ahead and what we want to do is that we can also just select it like fixed number of 1 hour. So the customer only has to book me for one single hour. He cannot go beyond that. So if I just select it, you can see it will be like okay, we haven't assigned any thing. That is why it is just showing free, but you can see that the customer cannot go beyond that. So if you just select 22, then he has to select this. Like if he selects 11 a.m., then it's right here. He cannot just go beyond that 1 hour. So if he just booked right now, it will say that he has booked me for one single hour. Okay, this is what I mean. I'm just gonna go ahead, and now here I just want to select the customers so that customers can just hire me from 1 to 5 hours. Okay, and then we have the calendar always visible. I've showed you that how calendar will be looking. Okay, and now here we have requires confirmation. This means that if someone just hire me and then they book now, okay, so then it requires confirmation that I'll be getting an email, and once I confirm it, then he will pay. Do not accept this thing, guys. Seriously, why you want to wait someone to pay? If he just then I approve it and then he will pay it, so it will be a long time. So just do it everything from automatically. Like if this is available, he can just book it, he can pay it, and if he's paying, I will work for it. But if you do not want that, you just want like if he wants to book, he just have to confirm. I just have to confirm, like when he books it, then he don't have to pay right now. Okay, payment will not be taken during checkout. Once I approve it, and then the payment will be taken. So do not approve this, guys. Seriously. You can also just bill like an appointment for the doctor. So you can also do it like on hourly basis and on something like that. So you can see this is also how it can work. But for appointment, you can just like confirm it like if the doctor is available or if the doctor has to do anything else. But since this is a freelance based work, and I would not recommend you to choose this for any of the field category, but you guys know that which type of thing that you want. So if you want it to be checked, then you can check it. Check this box if booking requires admin approval confirmation. Payment will not be taken during checkout, so you can check it. And this says can be canceled. Check this box if the booking can be canceled by the customer after it has been purchased. A refund will not be sent automatically. So if someone is has booked something, then it can be canceled. So if you want like if someone has hired me already, okay, then he can cancel it. No, if you have hired me, then you should pay for it and you cannot cancel it. Okay, I'll be there if there is a change in time. I'll just mention in the privacy policy, I'll just mention it in the terms and conditions when then person can just when the person is paying that if you want to cancel it, your just thing is not refundable and not just hireable. Because if you guys hired me, and then this is the simple, guys. If someone has already hired me and then he has paid me, and now after a few minutes or after a few hours he's just like I don't want it, and then basically he has taken the right of the other person, and any other guy could hire me on that time. So why would I want to refund him? Okay, he has hired me, he has to pay. So this is what I mean. Okay, so you can just check it if you want to, but it requires a lot of work. So payment will not be refunded automatically. The booking will be canceled, and then you have to do it manually. So do not check it. Okay, this is totally done right here. Now we have the next section, and that says cost. So this is very important. Okay, we have to select everything. It says base cost and block cost. So what is the base cost basically? Base cost is something like if you buy only me for just like 1 hour, this will be the same. If you buy me for 2 hours, it will be the same. If you buy me for 3 hours, it will be same. And block cost means like this is like we have chosen 1 hour here. Okay, so this means like if you hire me if you hire me for 1 hour, okay, then I will charge you $50. Okay, and if you buy me for 2 hours, okay, then I will charge you $100. So this is like block. Block means that a single thing, a single hour. This is defined here. If I just select it to be like months, then it will be like if someone buy me for 1 month, then it will be $50. And if someone buy me for 2 months, then it will be $100. So this is how you can define it here, and this will be called as a block. Okay. So I have chosen here that the block will be on hourly basis, and if someone hires me for 1 hour, then I'll charge him $50. Okay. And then I have the display cost. So display cost means that how much you want to display it. So leave it as default so that it displays like from $50. That's all. Okay. If you added like base cost as well, like if you want to charge like service fee or like PayPal fee, or like if you are using a payment gate fee like to checkout, then you can also charge him a to checkout fee, like $2 extra you charge him for one single thing. So you can do that if you want to, but I don't want to do it. I don't want to charge any extra. He's hiring me, and that's okay. So then display cost would be like 50 plus 2, and you can show it like 50 here, and then you can add it in the checkout tab. But leave it as it is. I would recommend you to do not charge them for base cost, like for using your website or services. And you can charge them for $1 if you want to. And this will be like block cost. This will be like if you hire me for 1 hour, this will be $50. And then we have display cost, so you can display anything. But I would recommend you to leave it as default. So it will be like from $50, and you can just hire me from so long, like how you want to hire, like for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 or 5 hours. Okay, and then we have this range. So all matching rules will be applied to the booking. So this range is not recommended to use. Okay, you can use it this range in the availability to not use it in here. So you can be like you can give a discount code like that. So how this will work is that if I want to give discount, Okay, so if I want it to be like date range, okay, so if someone buy it on Monday, okay, and the Monday's time ranges will be like if someone is buying on Monday and his time is like 5 p.m. Okay, so let's suppose that his time is 5 p.m. and his 5 p.m. to 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. basically. Since Monday is a bad day. Okay, Monday we get a lot of sales and a lot of customers, so let's just choose it to be like Friday. Friday we don't get so much sales. So if someone buys me or hire me on 5, okay, 4 to 5 p.m. Okay, let's just come here and let's select 0 p.m. Then his block cost will be is equals to, okay, so we will charge him like we will charge him 50% off. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna divide it by 2. So if someone hires me, okay, on Friday, and his range is like from this to this, then we will charge him like 50% off. So this is divided by 2, the total price divided by 2. So let's just go ahead and let's update and let's check it out how this works. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna view the product right now. And now here you can see how this is looking. So the person can hire me on Friday, okay, and if he hires me on 12 p.m., then we charge him 50. If he hires me on 4 p.m., then we charge him $25. The reason is that we are giving him 50% off. So you can run a sale, you can run something like that. So hire us on Friday. So like you don't get so many customers. Like here, if you just go to bounce.pk, bounce.pk I think. So Bounce Karachi is basically here in Pakistan. And when they don't get customers, they run a sale. So they run like that. You just come here. Okay, this is coming right here. Let me just go to facebook.com, and I think they have the offer. Let me show you what they mean, and you can get the best example. So I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna search for like Bounce. So this is basically a company, and they say that if you just purchase a sock and purchase a slot on Monday to Tuesday, then you are gonna get 50% off. So because they don't get a lot of customers on then, that is why they're running this sale. So I just saw that and I just wanted to show you. I hope they have it right now. Okay, yes, this is the one. You can see it says let me just play this video. It says you can see it says rupees 200. This is the currency of Pakistan. Okay, you can see it says rupees 200 and the actual price is basically 400. So if someone comes here in this J, they just buy it like from this, you can see Monday to Thursday 1 p.m. to 4:15 p.m. So if you want anyone to like be like, then if anyone just wants to hire me on those time where I don't get so many sales, then I can run a sale. So like I can run a sale that you can get 50% off on that. So I hope this is the perfect example for you. This is the video. And mostly companies do actually run that. So this is the perfect example that you can add it right here. I'm sorry, I'm just getting a lot of burps. I just ate so much food. So let's just go ahead, and I don't want to do that since I don't want to decrease anything. I don't want to run any of the sale. But if you want to run a sale, it's a great way to do that. Okay, and then we have the availability. This says maximum booking per block. Obviously guys, there should be one, because there's no two Tanzil Rahman. There's just only one single Tanzil Rahman, and Tanzil Rahman will only be visible to one single people who can just offer him his services. So minimum bookable block bookable into future. So this should be 0. We don't want anything. So this should be like in future, if anyone wants to be like book. Like it should be 1 days in future, and this should be like minimum future should be 1 month or 2 months. 2 months into like if anyone wants to hire me after 2 months, so he can just go beyond that. And if he just like if we don't want anyone to just go beyond that, then we'll restrict to it. So if I just come here and I just refresh it, okay, and then I want to go ahead and I want to go beyond that. So let's just come here. You can see I cannot go like that. This is just like 2 months. A guy can just go ahead and he can just buy me. And if I just select it to be like 0, you can see that today's the date. Today's 22nd, sorry. Today's 22nd, okay? And I have chosen that in future, let's go to the availability. In future, the block bookable would be like 1 day into the future. So he can hire me on the 23rd. So you cannot hire me on 22nd, which is today. Today is off. Like, you have to hire me on the next day. So this is important, guys. You should be doing that. But if you want to keep it 0, then you can keep it 0, and then you will see. If I just come here and I just refresh this, then you will see 22 will be visible, because people can hire me today as well. So it would be so mess if I have to set my schedules as well, because I have to set my schedules. Every booking will be here, so I have to set my schedule. I have to just be prepared. I have to be ready. And I have to study his question, that what is the problem to his thing, and I have to do a lot of work as well. So I have also my personal life. That is why I would recommend you, if you are using that service, then make sure that you just use it to be like 1 day. So if today is the same day, then he cannot hire you for today. Okay, so let's just go ahead and let's just select it to be like 1 day. You can also go with like 1 hour. So if only one single hour is left, then he cannot hire you for one single hour that is left. So you can also choose it to be left, but I would recommend you to stick with 1 day, so that he should not book this 22nd one. He should book 23rd, which is the tomorrow. So he can just start his booking from the tomorrow, not from the today. Okay, so then we have maximum bookable. This is 2 months. You cannot go beyond the 2 months. You can also choose it to be like 3, 4, 5, but it totally depends. Okay, and then we go down, and we have all dates are available by default. This is now very important section, guys. Please pay attention to it. Okay, what I'm saying, you have to understand this. Okay, so basically, let me tell you. I will not be just like awake from 24 hours. I'll not be working 24 hours. There is some time where I will be working, and I have to take off as well. Like, I will not be available on Sunday, because I told you guys that Sunday I'm not free and nobody can hire me. This is the time for my friends, whom I want to hang out with, and my family. Obviously, I have to give my time. That is why. So I want that to be applied in here. How will I do that? Okay, so basically we have to select like all dates are not available by default. Okay, and then this will work, that we have to assign that we will work from this to this, and then all dates are not available by default. Let me just select it, and let me show you what I mean to say, and I will do it what I am saying basically, and then you will understand it, that what I am saying. So in the range, I first have to say that from like 9 to 5 I will be available. Okay, so from 9 to 5 you can hire me. After that you cannot hire me. Okay, so this is what I mean. Let's just come here, and we have to select like time range. So this will be like a date range with time: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Range of months, range of weeks. So you can also just hire someone on weeks. Okay, and date range. So you can also add the ranges to be like I'll be available like let me show you from the time first, and then I'll show you the date. Okay, so first of all, we have to just come here and we have to select time range. So we have to just assign the time range that I will be working from 9 to 5. So I have to select 9 a.m. Is it 9 a.m.? I just have a lot of confusion. So guys, I'm sorry. Today this is PM. 12, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, okay. This is 9 a.m. So I'll be working from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, and then this is bookable. Okay, anyone can just book me from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. After that, he cannot book me, and before that, he cannot book me. Okay, so priority is 10. I will show you what this is. So let's just come here and let's just update it. And let me show you what I'm trying to say. Make sure that this is selected as not available by default, and then it will be work. If you have selected like all dates are available, then it will not work. Just make sure, guys, that this is checked like not available by default. And now let's come here and now let's just refresh this. So if someone is here, okay, first of all, 22 is not available, just because this date is available. This is coming, but I cannot select it. Okay, so the reason is that because we have set to the like minimum block into the future, like it should be like 1 day after. So if I just select it, okay, I just selected, and you can see it says, okay, let me select 24 one, because it is just applying the whole 24 hours to that. So let me select this 24 ones, And you can see a guy can just hire me from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, so I'll be working these hours, these 9 hours. Okay, if you select 25, a guy can just hire me from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you select 26, a guy can just hire me from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, and he can also hire me for 5 p.m. Sorry, this selected block is not available. So if you select 4, this is available. Okay, so since I'm working from just 9 to 5, okay, like this is my range, then if he goes and select the 5 p.m., 5 p.m. will not be available, like 5 p.m. and onwards. Okay, so this duration is set to 1 hour. Okay, if you just choose 2, and then he comes here and then he choose 4, you can see it should say, sorry, this is not available. Okay, I can just work for 4 and 5 and 6, so my total time would be 6. If I just go ahead and say select 3, then this is also available, so he can hire me onwards. Okay, this will be like applied to that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna select I need 0 hours. So if I select 0 hours, you'll see there will be no, but I cannot go beyond 1. Okay, so if you select 5 p.m., I will not be available. Sorry, the selected block is not available. If you just go to 27, you can see this is also not available. If I just go to 4, this is available. So this is how basically it works, and I hope you guys understand what I am saying. Okay, and now I want to tell you that I need off on Sundays, because Sunday I'm not available. Otherwise, my girlfriend is going to tell me that I need a breakup. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to hit date range. And in here, I need to go with the range of days. So on Sunday to Sunday, okay, I am not bookable. Okay, and the priority is set to 9, because the priority will be like over it. So this will be like on Sunday, no one can hire me. Okay, the priority is set to 9, because it says rules with lower priority will override rule with a higher priority. So it says that I am available all the weeks. Okay, and it says that I'm not available on Sunday, and the priority is 9. That this will override the above one. This is the priority mean. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit update right now, and let's just come here and let's just refresh this. So you can see this Sunday is now not coming. So I'll not be available on Sunday. I can work for you on Saturday. Okay, I can work for you on the 25th, which is Monday. But I'm not available on both the Sundays. If you go beyond that, you can see Sunday is totally off. Okay, and I can also do it like if you just come here to availability, I also want a time range. So on time range, it should be like a date range with time. Range of months, range of weeks, range of days, date range with time. So you can select any of the date range, like how you want. How should I tell you? Okay, basically now I want to tell you, if I am going on vacations, like you can see 22nd is today, and the Christmas is coming, so I need vacations for like New Year. I want to celebrate New Year with my family, so I'm just going to abroad, like I'm going to Dubai or anywhere. Dubai is the best place to go on New Year, just because I don't like the fireworks, but I actually like the sail. I don't know why there are the girly genes in my that mostly people do say that mostly girls like the sale, but I am addicted to sale. Seriously guys, if anything is just on sale and it is like 50% off or like 90%, 80% or whatever, if it is 10%, I'll just buy it. I just be like, okay, I need to buy it. So if I am going on New Year, which obviously I will, obviously, so I just select the date, like 25th, from 25th to the 1st of the 2nd of January, I'm not bookable. Okay, I should select the date range, range of date range. Okay, so from 25th of December to the 1st of January, I'm not bookable. Okay, and this should be the top of the line. So this should override everything. This is the main important thing. I do not want anything, so I'm just gonna select this 8, so that this should override everything. Okay, let's go ahead and let's just hit update. Okay, and now let's come here and now let's refresh this. So you can see that I'm only available on 23rd. 24th is Sunday. That is why I'm not available. If I just go to this, then I'm available from 3rd to onwards. So I hope that you are understanding what I'm saying, guys. Please, please, please do me a favor. If you are not understanding, do ask me a question and do just watch this video again, guys. And next time, if you are repeating this video, then do pay attention, because this is really very important. And if you do not understand each and everything, then it will be a mess for you. And when you are doing it for your clients, then seriously guys, it will be a mess. So I want you to please pay attention, okay? And if there's any confusion, then go ahead and watch the video from the start. Do not go like rewind 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds. Do not, just go everything from start and watch this video, okay? Because this is so important. Okay, and then we have everything. It says maximum duration. Okay, so we were on the availability. Okay, so since I am on this holiday, that is why this is here. Okay, and now let's add okay, so this is totally done. I don't think so that there is anything else. So you can also restrict the days from here instead of this. Like I can select it like I'll be working on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and I can just remove it. But I would recommend you to choose this one instead of this one. I'm just going to select this, and you can see it is how this is working. And then we have the attributes. So in the attributes, you can add anything. This is exactly like, you guys already know about the attributes. So there is no link here about the attributes because there is no variation. So you don't have to add the attribute. Then we have the advanced steps. So you can just enter a purchase note. Like it would be, thank you for hiring me. Looking forward to work with you. Thank you for hiring me. Looking forward to work with you. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to hit update. So now the main part starts, and that is we are going to actually test that if anyone buys it, okay, and the other guy is going to come here to our website and he's trying to buy the same date, the same time, then will he be able to buy? And if, then how? So in the next video, we'll be working with the testing of this. So this is also so important, and this will be very, very, very much fun. So stay tuned guys for that, and I hope you just like it. So goodbye, and in the next video, we'll be working with that.